Welcome students. Question of this class is find the interval of x such that x to the power 12 minus x to the power 9 plus x to the power 4 minus x plus 1 greater than 0. If you are going to solve this question, one thing, watch this video without any break. Now solving the question. Let the given expression y is equal to one. We have to find out the interval of x. See, here 5 terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms involving x. We will write these 4 terms such that we are able to decide the values or the sign of this expression. So, now rearranging C with respect to 1, that means as such x minus 1 maybe there is a factor. So C, if we take out common x to the power 9 x cube minus 1, here is a factor x minus 1 plus x common x cube minus 1 plus 1. Now it is reduced to 3 terms. Think about these each terms. If here basic thing is we have to consider the value of 1. So if x greater than 1 implies that x cube greater than 1 or x cube minus 1 greater than 0. If we multiply this by x as considered greater than 1, that is positive number. So x to the power 9 into x cube minus 1 greater than 0 and x into x cube 1 greater than 0. So all terms of the expression, this expression greater than 0, therefore we may decide y greater than 0. If we consider equality sign, x greater is equal to 1, this will be greater is equal to 1, this will be greater is equal to 1, this will be greater equal to 1, this will be greater than equal to 0. So now the second case B, or we should consider if x less than 1. Then from here easily we are not able to say the sign of this expression. So rearrange y. Now y that is equal to reversing the order 1 minus x x4 minus x to the power 9 plus x to the power 12. Now group these two, 1 minus x plus x to the power 4 common, 1 minus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 12. See, if it is less than 1, this is greater than 0, this is greater than 0, x4 greater than 0, x to the power 12 greater than 0. So if x less than 1, 1 minus x greater than 0, x4 into 1 minus x to the power 5, 0, 12 greater than 0. Therefore, y greater than 0. Hence, we may conclude that in this case of x greater or equals to 1, here in this case x less than 1, so we conclude that y greater than 0 is minus infinity less x less infinity. That means for any real number of x, the given expression y is greater than 0. Therefore, the required interval is, so the required interval is minus infinity less x less infinity. Thank you very much, all of you. If it is relevant to you, please subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you again.